Hi, good evening, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy, and I am back with one more the best question series. And yes, today I am going to discuss the best questions of mensuration, which you might have not seen previously. So, which will be exactly at your cat level. Let's see how many can answer these questions there. Yes, shall we start the class? Follow by. Shall we start the class? Yes, we'll start the class, right? So, before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011, and these are my credentials. Now when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Why me? I'm ranked 16th in overall category of GATE and DSC and ranked 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and DSC. Many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when I choose iconic or plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be having one-to-one live mentorship with your coach and your educator so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing, where you will get best solutions to overcome that. One more greatest advantage, test analysis. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified. If those mistakes are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted. And this is one such greatest advantage, right? So most of the students complain me this, right? Sir, we have completed the entire syllabus. We are not able to solve the questions. We are not able to apply the things onto the questions. This is where your coach will be helpful, right? Your mistakes will be restructured. Automatically your score will be boosted, right? So of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. These are the features of plus and iconic. Right now, how much you have to invest if you are choosing plus, and if you are opting for 24 month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 50 rupees per day, the lowest, where you'll get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now when you use my code NLN10, you'll get my guidance and my entire group guidance, and you will get 10% off. After 10% off, the price will be 35,550 for 24 months. For 12 months it will be 24,750 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Coming to iconic, it will be 41,175 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Yes, so do try to download the sample notes, check the quality of the notes, check the depth of the content, then subscribe to Unacademy, right, using with my referral code NLN10. And yes, do try to write this all India mock test. These are the dates now. So do try to unlock the CAT 2022 mock test using with my code NLN10. So try to appear for the examinations. So this will be exactly at the CAT level. Yes, so let's start our discussion here. We have solved this all these questions there, so we will continue with today's question. uh, so I've done many questions there, right? So this is the question that we have to solve. Yes, so I will solve this question. From next question, I will be giving you two minutes to solve each and every question. Then, okay, fine. Observe the question carefully. What was given there? A glass showpiece in the shape of a sphere, in the shape of a sphere of radius 5 centimeter is packed in a cardboard cubic box whose sides are of length 12 centimeter, it seems. To prevent the showpiece from rolling around, 8 identical rubber spheres are placed in the corners of the box. What is the radius of the rubber spheres is the question asked. Up this showpiece was kept intact by this 8 glass, rubber spheres. Am I right or wrong? So see here, I'll draw the diagram. Then you can get more clarity regarding this. So I'll draw the diagram. Give me. This is a cubic box, not cuboidal box. Okay. Now see here, your glass sphere will be intactly kept around this body diagonal beta, right? If you closely observe there, I'll show you one more thing. Now see here, this will be the, oh, okay, I'll write down plain circle, so that's why you can get more clarity. So here, this is the glass sphere. Now I will draw this thing in a 2D manner, then you can understand this. Let's suppose take this is the body diagonal of the cube, and deco your a glass sphere, right? Your showcase piece is this, and this is attached with rubber spheres like this. I hope so you are understanding this point. These are kept intact like this. Now the point here is, now closely observe there will be a space. Let us suppose take, I'll draw here one circle to understand here. Now closely observe that there is a gap, right? It is not completely radius of the rubber sphere. Now see here, I'll take down like this. This glass showpiece of a sphere of radius. Now this is 5. This is 5. This is 5. Okay, fine. Now closely observe there. I will be taking down this as radius R. Okay. Now what will be this radius, right? This is what you have to find out, beta. This is what you have to find out. Here also, this is what you have to find out. What will be this? Now you closely observe there. It is a 3-dimensional figure, right? Now closely 3-dimensional figure. I can draw 1 dimension here. I can draw 1 dimension here, and I can draw 1 dimension here. So automatically R, 3 sides are. Now this value will be what, ma? So body diagonal of a cube is nothing but equal to root of L square plus B square plus H square. Of course, in cube, L, B, H are same. You can write down this one, L square plus B square plus H square, where L is equal to B is equal to H. Now to find out this gap length also, we will be using the same formula. I hope so you are getting my point there. Now what will be this value? This value will be root 3R, because I took radius of the small rubber sphere as R. Now this is R I took. Now this side will also be the same, root 3R. Now you closely observe that this complete length is nothing but called body diagonal of the cube. Now side length is 12 na. So what will be this one? L 12 square plus 12 square plus 12 square. Am I right or wrong? So is it 12 root 3? Yes, this value will be 12 root 3, because side of a cube is given as 12. Now finally, what can I write down? Add all those things. Root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3. Write down in blue ink. 2 root 3. Root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3 R, plus glass sphere V is nothing but 10. Now देखो भाई, in rubber spheres, here R is left out, here R is left out. I will be taking on this as 2R, which is nothing but equal to how much, man? Body diagonal of the cube. Body diagonal of the cube is nothing but equal to how much? 12 root 3. Am I right or wrong? So I will be taking down R as common there. What will be left over? 2 root 3 minus 2 will be left over. Sorry, it is plus 2, not minus 2. Plus 2 will be left over. This 10 will go on to that side, which will become 12 root 3 minus 10. Now finally, what will be your R value? R value is nothing but equal to 12 root 3 minus 10 divided by 2 root 3 plus 2. I hope so you are getting my point there, right? So this glass spheres are attached to the showcase piece, right? Because it has to be intact. The point given here is intact, right? So to prevent the show piece by rolling around means nothing but keeping intact. So where is that option there? So your option is did we missed out anything there? Did we missed out anything there? 2 root 3 plus 2. Yes, we are right, ma. There is no, yes, there is an option here. Oh, bolo beta, sorry, there is an option. So see here, I can take 2 common outside, right? If I take 2 common outside, so what will be the value there? 6 root 3 minus 5 divided by how much? Denominator also I can remove 2, so this will be 1 root 3 plus 1. Is there any option there? Once check down and let me know the thing there. Yes, there is an option there, root 3 plus 1. So your option number 1 satisfies there. Perfectly right? So mensuration, if you can draw the diagram perfectly, 90% of your confusion will be gone. Let's go for the next one. Let's see how many can solve this. So this is an easy one. A little bit of algebra plus mensuration. If you know the formula, then if you know little bit of algebra, you can solve this question very easily. Let's see how many can solve this. Avyay Agarwal, right? If it is a 2D object, what will you do to find out the value there? Let us suppose take, draw here. This is a 2D object. Now there is a circle here. Now see here, there is a gas. So here like this. How to find out this value there? Am I right or wrong? Is this the way? And this will be your Pythagorean triplet value root 2. You are doing for a 3D object, then it becomes root 3 na. Body diagonal will be becoming na. Think of that. We are doing for a cube, not for a square. Cube means 3D object. You will be getting body diagonal, 3 sides, right? So root 3 will be the thing there. If S is the surface area of a cuboid, now we are doing for cuboid, not for cube, of dimensions x comma y comma z, and V is the volume, then 1 by S is equal to, you have to make a little bit of algebra here. Any answer for this? Any options? Where is Bhavesh, Anshita Gupta, Srinivas, regular students, Naman Mehta, Pralay Mehta? So all these were absent today. Strength is also low. Oh, you can go back away, right? Repeating the same thing, you will also get bored later on if you watch a recorded video. Chalo. First of all, I'll write down the total surface area of the cuboid. The x, y, z are the dimensions, it seems. 2 into xy plus yz lb plus bh plus lh. Am I right or wrong? Yes, this will be the thing there. What will be the volume there? Volume is nothing but equal to xyz, and you are asked to find out 1 by s, it seems. So first of all, what is 1 by s? I'll write down here. 1 by s is nothing but equal to divided by 2 into xy plus yz plus xz. So can I write down the same equation like this? Let's see. Can I write down the same equation like this? 1 divided by x 2 into xyz into xy plus yz plus xz divided by xyz. So this will be helpful, right? Yes, perfectly. Now can I write down the same thing like this? 1 divided by xy, x into y into z is nothing but volume 2b into, now see here, I mean defragment it. So this becomes 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. So your LCM will be xyz and your numerator will be xy plus yz plus xz. You will get the same value there, right? So is this the option there? Yes, your option number B satisfies. As simple as such that. Done. Sure. Let's see how many can solve the second, this one, right? I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. Agarwal. A solid cube is cut into three solids. I'll underline the point there. A solid cube is cut into three solids such that two of them are cuboids with two dimensions exactly half of the bigger cube and the third dimension same as the original cube. The third solid has two dimensions same as the original cube, it seems. Okay. The remaining thing is half. Find the ratio of total surface area of the smaller cube and the other solid is the question asked. Okay. The answer for this? Thirty seconds more. That is the regular students here. On Saturday is Friday, so weekend. Aditya, what is that answer there? So chalo, right? This is totally divided into three solids, it seems here. So two of them, right? So I'll write down about this two of them. So two of them, what are the dimensions that, let us suppose take solid cube has L length, because all the sides are L only. Now this cuboid will be having two dimensions exactly half of the original cube, it seems. L by 2 comma L by 2 comma L. Am I right or wrong? So let's find out the, what is the question asked, ratio of total surface area. Let's find out the total surface area of this. Everybody know total surface area is nothing but 2 into L into B. L. So can I write down like this? L by 2 into L by 2. Is it L square by 4 plus L by 2 into L square by 2, and this is also L square by 2. Am I right or wrong? When I cancel, these are the dimensions there. Now finally what will be the value there? 4 will be the LCM there. 4 5 square by 2 will be left over. Am I right or wrong? Finally if I calculate all these things, 5L square by 2 will be left over. I hope so you are getting my point there. Let's come to the next one, the other cube. Other cube dimension is, two dimensions are same of original cube, it seems. The other will be, third one will be L by 2, it seems. This is the point given there. Let's find out the total surface area of this. Will be this 2 into L into B, L square, B into H, L square by 2. Again L into H, L square by 2. So this will be what, 2 and 2 will get cancelled in numerator, and this one 2 square plus L square plus L square, which will be 4L square. Am I right or wrong? Now you are asked to find out the diamond ratio of these two surface areas, right? Automatically what will be the ratio there? Is it 5 is to 8? L square gets cancelled. This is the value there. As simple as such that, right? And your option number A satisfies. Any of you got the logic? So detailed writing of the given data, almost all will help you to solve the question very easily. Let's see a question there. This one, right? So those who know frustum formulas can solve this question very easily, right? With cone also you can solve, but let's see how many can solve this question there. 1 minute more. Paritosh, so long time. Is it so? No, beta. It is not 4:25. अब गलत किया एक बार देखो what you have done. So an ice cream is in the shape of a right circular cone, it seems. Is cut parallel to its base. First of all, I will take a cone. D, it's not D, Agarwal. So I'm happy that I have given a very good question. No, it's not D. Chalo, see, I'll take down. Now this is a right circular cone, ice cream cone, and it is cut parallel to its base, it seems, into 5 slices. So let us suppose take this is the first slice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I take down like this. This is 1. Second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth slice. Okay. Of all equal heights, it seems. Let us suppose take. I will take unitary height only. Right? I will take down unitary height. Now everybody know. Let us suppose take 1 unit. I'll take down 1 unit. Everybody know, right? So upon increasing the height, your radius of the cone will be increasing. Now closely observe there for the fourth piece, there are 2 radius, right? So this part is nothing but called frustum. Am I right or wrong? This is not cone ma. Every ice cream slice is nothing but equal to frustum. It is not a cone. How many of you are getting the point there? This is frustum, not a cone. So can anybody say what are the total surface area and volume of the frustum there? Anybody? So volume of the frustum is nothing but equal to, everybody know volume of the cone, 1 by 3 into, as I said that there will be 2 radius, capital R square plus small r square plus capital R into small r into height. Now what will be the total surface area? As we are dealing with frustum, I'll write down the total surface area also for you here. Pi into capital R square plus small r square plus capital R into slant height beta. L means slant height. Everybody know. Small r into slant height. Hope so you got my point there. Now what is the question asked? What is the ratio of the volume of middle slice to that of the biggest slice? Now you are asked to find out volume ratio of the volume of this slice and this slice, middle slice. Okay, so middle to biggest. So first of all, I'll write down the third one. Am I right or wrong? Volume of the third slice. What will be this? I'll handle one by one, right? 1 by 3 into what will be larger radius of this? Is it here this one? This is 3 units. This is 2 units beta. This is 3 units. This is 2 units. So larger one is 3 square. Of course, right, 1 by 3. I missed out pi here beta. Pi I have to write down there, right? So pi into 1 by 3 into, so I'll write down like this. 1 second, give me 1 second. 1 by 3 into pi r square. This is 1 by 3 into pi into capital R is nothing but 3 square. Small r is nothing but 2 square. 3 into 2. Height will be same, 1 unit only. Let's write down the volume of the fifth slide. Yes, third option, right? After 2 attempts, you gave me the correct answer. 1 by 3 into pi into capital R will be 5 square, small r will be 4 square. Am I right or wrong? Plus 5 into 4, height will be same beta. So 1 by 3 pi, 1 by 3 pi gets cancelled. Now this is 3 square 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 6 is nothing but 19. Divided by how much is this? 25 plus 16, 35, 41 plus 20. So it is 61. So your ratio of the middlemost slice to the fifth slice, this is your answer there. I hope so you are getting my point there, right? Chalo, done. Let's go for the next one. This is, I took this from Bodhi Prep, I think so. So let me see how many can answer this question there. Waiting for the best answers. Agarwal, what's your answer there? So those who are watching the session, if you like the question, please do try to hit the like button for this class so that I can reach to more number of audience here. That's my request. One minute more. All five faces of a regular pyramid. Regular pyramid means even there with a square base are found to be of same area. All the five faces have same area, it seems. The height of the pyramid is 3 centimeter. The total area of all the surfaces is the question asked. Any answer for this? $50 seconds more. $15 is not the answer, Raj. Check where you are going wrong. I'll solve the question there. Don't worry about that. Now, base is a square pyramid, it seems. Take a square. Any answers from Agarwal, Paritosh, Aditya, Naman Mehta? No answers. Right, chalo. Now, this is a regular pyramid, right? So regular pyramid means it has to be triangular faces. Everybody know about this. Four, no. So see here, this will be also be one side beta. Okay, clear. This is a regular pyramid with square base. Now, side of the square I'll take down as A. Side of the square I will be taking down this as A. Now closely observe there, is this nothing but called height of the pyramid? Yes, this is called height of the pyramid. Now what will be this length exactly? So height of the pyramid at exactly it will be at the middle of the square. Middle of the square matlab this value will be A by 2. Am I right or wrong? This will be A by 2. No, aware. No, Agarwal, let's check it. Now, this is nothing but called height of the triangular face. Am I right or wrong? This is called height of the triangular face, or you call it a slant height of the pyramid. You can say anything there. Height of the triangular face or slant height of the pyramid. How do you calculate this slant height? By Pythagoras theorem, everybody know. So this value is nothing but equal to root of a square by 4. Now what will be the height of the pyramid there? It is given as 3 square 9. So finally this is 36 plus a square by 4 root of slant height of the pyramid. Now I will find, let us write down area of the one triangular face. Area of the one triangular face is nothing but half into base is nothing but how much? Base is nothing but a. Height is nothing but how much? Root of 36 plus a square by 4, which is nothing but equal to area of the square, because all the five faces of a regular pyramid have equal area, it seems. So triangular face area is nothing but equal to base square area, a square. Am I right or wrong? 1a gets cancelled. Squaring on both sides, what I get is, so this I will write down as 1 by 4 into 36 plus a square by 4 is equal to, again after squaring this becomes a square, 16a square. Finally, can I write down this as 15a square is equal to 36? Now देखो बेटा, I will take down 3 as common. If I take down 3 as common, 5a square is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 12? 5a square is nothing but equal to area of the all faces. How many faces are there for this pyramid? One square base, 4 triangular faces. All these areas are same and all these are equal to a square only. So 5a square, this is nothing but equal to total area of all the faces. And my option number 2 satisfies, and this is my answer. So how many of you got this idea there? Hope so. I am clear regarding this. Shall we go for the next question? We'll go for the next one. This is one of my favorite question here. Let's see. We can solve this. 2 minutes. Try this. In the given figure, not drawn to scale, BC is tangent to the circle at D. Okay? And AD passes through the center of the circle such that AD is the ratio of AD, BD and DC is root 3 is to 1 is to 3. Find the ratio of area of triangle AEF to that of triangle ABC is the question asked. Okay. I can write down one point for you, right? As it passes through the center of the circle, I'll take down center of the circle as O, which will be on AD only. I can do one more point, right? So see here, AD will be diameter of the circle. Of course, radius of the circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent. Yes, I can damn surely write down this point there. Any answer? Nobody. Chalo, I'll solve it. Now this is 90 degrees, ma. Everybody know now AD value is nothing but how much? Root 3 it seems. If AD value is root 3, any other point given there? Now BD value is given as 1, DC value is given as 3. I can easily say this triangle ADC is 90, 60, 30 degrees triangle there. 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. So see here, you closely observe there, this point 30 degrees is 3. Now 60 degrees, so this will be in the format of 1 is to root 3 is to 2. No better, right? 30 degrees is not 3. This is root 3. 30 degrees is root 3. If 30 degrees is root 3, now your 60 degrees will be 3. Now 90 degrees will be 2 root 3. You accept with me? Yes, perfectly. Now see here, opposite to 33, it is nothing but 60 degrees here. This is 90. How much will be this? This will be 30. Okay, by this, what can I say? My AC value is 2 root 3. I got this point there. Now you are asked to find a triangle AEF it seems. So I have to take a line segment here from E to F. and you closely observe there, I will take down this line, this point as both center of the circle. Okay. Now, any other point that I can match down there? Now this will also be 90 degrees beta. Am I right or wrong? You closely observe there. Yes or no? This will be 90 degrees. Yes or no? Yes. And again, this side is 1. This side is root 3. Now hypotenuse value will be how much? 3 plus 1. Is it nothing but called 2? Yes. Now your ADB triangle is also ABD triangle is also in the format of 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. Yes. And again, 1 is to root 3 is to 2, exact format there. Opposite to root 3 will be 60 degrees. And this is 60 degrees. Now opposite to 1 will be 30 degrees. Very good. Now closely observe that this will be how much? 90 degrees. I hope so. I am clear regarding this. Yes. Now this is 90 degrees beta. This is 90 degrees. And you closely observe there. This AOF is nothing but an isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle. So opposite sides will be equal. Now closely, this is radius, this is radius. So this angle will be equal. Now this will be 30 degrees. Okay, damn surely. Now this will be how much? I'll remove this root 3 as you understood this AD value is root 3. Na? So this will be how much? 60. This will be 120. Now how much will be this? This will be 60. And automatically this will be also 60. And you closely have 60, 30, 90, 90 complete. AEF is also sum of the angles of a triangle is satisfying. Now by this, what can I say? Triangle AEF and triangle ABC are similar triangles. Both have 90 degrees. Am I right or wrong? And they are residing on the proportionate basis. So if they are similar triangles, and they are 90, 30, 60, they are 90, 30, 60. Exact sides ratio will also be same. So 1:2 ratio means matlab their areas of the triangles, area of triangle AEF divided by area of triangle ABC. Can anybody say the property when they are similar triangles? The areas will be in the ratio of their squares of their sides. Am I right or wrong? Squares of their sides. Now what will you take down? The squares of their sides matlab. Squares of their sides matlab. Ab dekho, see here, this complete value is root 3. This is exactly half. This will be root 3 by 2. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. Yes or no? Yes, perfectly. AO value is root 3 by 2. OD value is root 3 by 2. So will this be root 3 by 2 whole square divided by root 3 whole square? Am I right or wrong? Or otherwise, I can take down like this also. I'll remove this. So I'll remove this for you. What I will do is, what will be this value? If this is root 3 by 2, if this is root 3 by 2, what will be this? This will also be root 3 by 2. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? I can take down like this. So calculate this first of all. Let's see. This is 3 by 4 divided by 3. So is it nothing but called? Did I miss out anything there? Did I miss out anything there? Waiting for your answer there. Did I miss out anything there in calculations? Root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 whole square. It is 3:12, but it is not 3:12 now. There is no such option there. So what can I do there? Waiting for your answer there. Yes, true ma. I will be taking down like this, right? EF whole square divided by BC whole square, residing on proportionate basis na. EF whole square is nothing. This is root 3 by 2. This will also be root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 will be how much? EF value will be root 3 whole square divided by BC value is how much? 4 whole square. My answer will be equal to 3:16. Yes, perfectly I got my answer there in my option number A. No, Paritosh, it is A. 3 is to 16, na? EF base, BC base are proportionate bases. Similar triangles. आराम से देखो, right? Yes. So this is a question which was asked in all the examinations. Even previous UPSC examination also the same question was asked. A similar type of cat question. Try this. Paritosh, what's the answer? Theta. You have to answer the, you have to give the correct answer. Waiting for the best answers. A semicircle is inscribed in a quarter circle as shown in the figure with radii OA and OB equal to 2 root 21 centimeter. What is the area of the shaded region is the question asked. And they are asked to take pi value is equal to 22 by 7. Let's see how many can solve this. Are the best questions here. Avyai, what's the answer there? Raj Dubey. The answer? No. Chalo, I'll take down it. First of all, a semi what is the area of the shaded region? Na? I will find out this a semicircle area. Semicircle area I'll take down in blue ink here. Semicircle area is nothing but called pi r square by 2. So what is the value there? 1 by 2 into pi value must be taken as 22 by 7 as given in the data. What will be the r value there? R value is nothing but 2 root 21, 2 root 21 whole square, which will be nothing but called 4. So this will be 2 left over, this will be 3 left over. What will be left over there? Yeah, 7 ones are 7 threes are. So did I miss out anything there? So I'll write down again. Second, 1 by 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 2 root 21 is nothing but equal to 4 into 21. 7 ones are 7 threes are 2 ones are 2 11s are 11 threes are 33. Did I miss out anything there? Arey beta, right? Sorry ma. My semicircle is inscribed in a quarter circle, it seems. What is answering me, right? So you have to find out the area of the quarter circle. This is OAB. OAB is a quarter circle. Am I right or wrong? So 1 by 4 into pi r square. Sorry, pi r square. That's what I am getting wrong answer. 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is nothing but equal to 4 into 21. 4 gets cancelled. 7 ones are 7 threes are. The area of the quarter circle is 66 centimeter square. Let's find out the area of the semicircle now. For this, I have to know the radius of the semicircle. Am I right or wrong? 1 by 2 pi r square. Let's find out the radius of the semicircle. I'll take down red r. Now you closely observe there from O to here. I will take down a line segment. I will take down this as O dash, center of the semicircle. Now this will be radius and this will be radius. Okay, now I'll take down black line segments which will be called radius of the semicircle. This is radius of the semicircle. This is radius of the semicircle, which is nothing but equal to r, which is nothing but equal to r. How much will be this? This will be root 2r because this is a square. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. Now you closely observe there. Diagonal of a square will divide the vertex angle into two equal halves. Now this is completely 90 degrees, which will be divided into 45, 45. Okay. Now one more point. I'll be taking down like this blue line. This is nothing but called radius of the quarter circle. These are radius of the quarter circles. Now, are you observing a triangle there? Yes, you are observing a triangle. This total sum will be 180 degrees. Now, how can I frame this angle there? Let me know. What will be this angle? Anybody in the comment section box? Can anybody say what will be this angle? What will be this complete angle will be 180 degrees. Am I right or wrong? So, how much will be this angle is divided? Anybody? So see here, this will be 45 degrees. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now see here, this will be also 45 degrees. Now this angle completely will be 90 degrees. 90 degrees. This is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, root 2r whole square. Why I am saying like this is root 2r whole square. Yes or no? Plus r square is nothing but equal to this value is this value is nothing but 2 root 21 whole square. Now let me know the answer there. This is 2r square. Completely this will be 3r square is equal to 4 into 21. So this will be 3 ones are 3 sevens are. Caps r square value will be how much ma? 28. We'll substitute the same value here. 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into r square value is how much ma? 28. 7 ones are 7 fours are 2 ones are 2 elevens are. Is it 44 centimeter square? What is the question asked? Closely observe there. What is the question asked? And again, see here how I am saying this 45 degrees means you closely observe there. O dash is nothing but I have dropped a perpendicular from the center of the circle onto this chord called this one. Let us suppose take this is x and y. So this divides the chord into two equal halves and it makes exactly perpendicular. That's why I wrote it as 45. So those who have any doubt, how did you wrote 45? Then you can, this is the exact meaning there. So the difference shaded area value will be how much? Is it 22 centimeter square? Yes, the shaded area value will be 22 centimeter square and this is the answer. I hope so I am clear. Chalo. Let's go for the next one. Shall we solve this? We will solve this question now. Later on we'll come back to that question. Okay, it's an easy question. Let's solve some tough questions. Forty seconds more. I lost 10 today. Every day there will be more than 20 students in the class. क्या हुआ suddenly आज? A right circular cone is immersed in clear water to 1/4 of its height, it seems here. Let's draw the anybody got the answer there? Nobody. So let us suppose take this is a cone. And the cone. Now this cone is immersed up to 1/4 of its height, it seems. Immersed in water. Okay, fine. So what will be the height that will be over the water? It will be 3/4 of the height. 3/4 of the height. If I consider this as height of the cone, this will be radius of the cone. What is the point given there? Such that it tip of the water and the circular base is horizontal. Tip of the water is here, circular base is horizontal, straight. Find the volume of the portion of the cone above the water. If the full height of the cone is 12 centimeter, 12 by 4, this will be 3. Now this will be 9. Radius of the cone is how much? 7. First of all, let's find out the total volume of the cone. Total volume of the cone is nothing but equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the formula there. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into what is radius? Radius is 7, 7 square, 7 into 7. What is height? It is 12. Let's calculate this. 7 ones are 7 ones are 3 ones are 3 fours are. Yes, A will be the answer. Very good. 88 into 7. So 88 into 7 will be 616 centimeter cube. Now you need not calculate the remaining one, right? So see here, this is 1/4 of the height is in the water. 3/4 of the cone is above the water there. So how much of volume is in the water? I will find out this one. Now closely observe there, 1 by 4 is height. So if you want to find out volume, I have to cube these dimensions there. 1 by 4 whole cube into 616 is your answer there. Now what will be the answer there here? 616, 4 cube is nothing but how much? 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64. So let's calculate this. 2 threes are 2 zeros are 2 eights are, or otherwise I'll keep it like this only, right? So finally this part you need answer there. So 6 1, subtract this one, that will be the answer there. 616 minus 6, so into 616 divided by 64, then you will get the answer there. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know. So finally 63 into 61, 64 minus 1, 61 6 by 64. Let's find out. So this is 8 eights are, this is 8 sevens are 56, 8 sevens are again 56. So 63 into 77 will be how much? 4851. So my answer will be 4851 by 8 centimeter cube will be the answer there. Three of you got the same answer. My option number A satisfies the answer there. Yes. Abhay Agarwal gave me the answer there. Exactly. Let's go with the next question. This is an easy question, ma. This one. This I am expecting you guys to answer the question. Let's see how many can answer this. Mostly last question of the series here. I will not pressure you hereafter. As shown in the diagram, an ant is at one corner called E. So I'll just write it. Ant is at this corner called E of the metal cuboid and wants to take the shortest path to reach the crystal of sugar which is placed at C. Find the acute angle made by the shortest path taken by the ant with side AB to reach the crystal of the sugar it seeks. Is it so? A. I thought it will be B. Are you so? Is no, you are answering the previous one, na? Sorry. Try this. So what I will do is I will make it as a two-dimensional figure. So see here, this is the left hand side of the cuboid. Na? I'll just open this flap. I'll keep exactly horizontal to the top flap. Then I'll draw the diagram. Then you can get a clarity there. Let's see. Now see here, what I will do is I will be taking down like this. Just give me, take down the shape here. See here. Now see here, I'll be taking down like this. Observe the things there, what I am doing. Now this is, so see here, if I take this flap horizontally, now this part will be A. This part will be E. A and E will be exactly on the same fulcrum. Am I right or wrong? Now this part will be F. This part will be B. This part will be C. This part will be D. What are the lengths there? Now closely observe there. This is given as 12. So automatically EF length will be 12. Now this is AD is given as 4. AD is given as 4. And see here AE is nothing but equal to DH. Right? And this, I'm fine. How are you here? This is given as 5. Am I right or wrong? AE is nothing but equal to DH. AD is nothing but 4. I hope so you got my point there. Now see here, ant is at a point called E and sugar crystal is at a point called here. So what I have done there, this is top face, this is left hand side face. I made it on the same fulcrum there in order to easily understandable. Ab dekho beta, is this nothing but called shortest path because ant can only crawl on the surface. It cannot fly. This is your shortest part. And this is nothing but the acute angle made by the path. This is also the same angle there. Now you closely observe there. I will do one point there. Now, what is this angle there? Now see here, triangle CED and triangle, let us suppose take this as some X point, XEA, triangle XEA. These are similar triangles. Am I right or wrong? How many of you know this? Because they have a common angle called E. Yes or no? And the same angles are residing on the same shortest path, and it will be same exactly. Now let us find out this angle theta. Now this angle theta, tan theta is nothing but equal to opposite side. Opposite side is nothing but 9. Adjacent side is nothing but how much? 12. Is it 12? So it is 3 by 4. So can I write down my theta as tan inverse 3 by 4? Please let me know yes or no. Perfectly done. And if this is theta, my acute angle will also be theta. In similar triangles, angles will be exactly same. There will be no change in angles there. So how many of you got this point perfectly? Let me know this thing, right? And your option number A satisfies the answer there. Exactly done. Shall we do one more question? Let's do this question. Or shall we do tomorrow? Yes, we'll continue in the next class, right? Most of you are bored, I think so. We'll continue in the next class, right? So how are the questions today? How are the questions today? And yes, as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESC category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock free classes using with my code NLN10. Hi Shobit. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my code NLN10. And the price for plus for 12 months will be 24,750 after discount when you use my code NLN10 is for 18 and 24 months. Coming to Iconic, it will be 41,175 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and you'll get my guidance also, right? So I'm teaching CAD since 9 years. So everybody know me, you can search me on Google here. So there will be many pages coming, right? I'm the one who taught in Kashmir, Srinagar, Chandigarh, right? All the places. So this is for 12 months and these are the prices for 18 and 24 months. Do try to interact with me on communities here. So we can have more interaction in communities. You can ask me any doubt. I'll be available 24/7. And do try to join my special classes, right? My special class has huge crowd, right? My strategy sessions, my opportunity session, a career opportunity session, at least 200 to 300 in a class there. Do try to attend this. Interaction level will be 10x more and we can clear our doubts very effectively here. Okay. And yes, please do try to hit the like button. Share my classes if you like it so that I can reach to more number of audience here. Subscribe to the channel. Download the PDF from the Telegram group and hit the bell icon to get the updates. Thank you and have a nice day. Let's meet on Sunday, right? Friday night. So I'm taking all on alternative days. Let's meet on Sunday.